In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change appearance in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change most of your appearance in Arcane Lineage. So first, if you want to change your face, you just have to go over here to the tavern, enter it, and you will find this NPC. When you talk to her, the therapist, you will be able to say, I want to talk about my feelings. And when you choose this option, your face will change immediately. So every time that you talk to the therapist and you talk about your feelings, you will see your face change. So this is one of the ways in which you will be able to change your appearance. Of course, there are other things related to your appearance, for example your clothes, and you can change these by simply equipping new items, which sadly I will not be able to demonstrate in this video, but of course you just have to open your inventory and equip them from here. Now you can also change your hair. To change your hair, you don't have to do it inside of Arcane Experience itself. You have to go back into the avatar editor, and when you go over to customize, you just have to change your hair from here. So it's as simple as equipping any other hair on your Roblox character. Once the hair has been equipped, you will be able to go back into Arcane Lineage, and if you look at your hair, it is going to be updated. Keep in mind that the color of the hair is always going to be random. It seems like this is a limitation, but still, this is how you will be able to change your hair. And like I said, you can change your face by going over here to modify your appearance even more. You can repeat this as many times as you wish, and it doesn't cost anything. So even on a new character like this one, you will be able to do it. And to change your clothes, like I said, you just have to get different equipment. So you will be able to have all sorts of accessories, and if you change your race, you might also see your skin color change. So those are all things to consider if you wish to customize your character in Arcane Lineage. I hope I was able to help you on how to change appearance in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.